Good day, sir. I am John Michael Casula from Section G2S. Sailing Direction, an nautical publication that provides essential information for coastal and port navigation, supplementing information found on nautical charts. They are published by various national hydrographic offices and coast guard agencies are considered part of the SOLAS Convention to encourage requirements for all ships. Sailing direction are available in both print. Detailed information: Sailing directions offer detailed information about coastal areas, port approaches, weather conditions and currents, ice dangers, navigation features, and port regulation. Geographic coverage: They are organized into geographic regions or sectors, providing specific information for each area. Complementary charts: Sailing directions are intended to be used in conjunction with nautical charts, providing additional details and context. Regular updates: Many sailing direction volumes are updated regularly to continuous vision cycle with changes published and noticed to mariners. Electronic vision: Admiralty officers' digital vision of sailing direction, known as ANPS, which can be accessed through their radio software. Types of sailing direction: Sailing direction: This focus on coastal and port approach information, supplementing the larger scale chart of the area. Sailing direction: This provide information about continuous access to particular ocean base, including physical, political, industrial, navigational, and regulatory details. Example of sailing direction: In P333 Admiralty Sailing Direction Philippine Island Pilot covers northern and northeastern coast of Borneo, Philippines, the Sulu Sea, and the Sulu Archipelago. MP31 Admiralty Sailing Direction China Sea Pilot Volume 2 covers the northwestern coastal of Borneo, the Philippine island, and the island and danger in the southern and eastern part of the South China Sea. NP60 Admiralty Sailing Direction Pacific Island Pilot Volume 1 provides information on the Pacific Island. NP14 Admiralty Sailing Direction Australia Pilot Volume 2 covers Australia. And that's all. Thank you.